Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Robin Hood bow and arrow easy guide. Start by gathering a straight 48-inch stave, a knife, a saw, a bowstring, and feathers. Measure your draw length, mark the grip and nocks, and carve the limbs evenly. Apply gradual tillering to balance limb flex. Make simple arrows from straight shafts, glue feathers, and fit points. Test gently and adjust until shooting smooth and safe. Gather your materials and prepare the workspace with these steps. Pick a sturdy stave about 48 inches long and a string rated for your draw weight. Collect arrows, glue, fletching, a saw, knife, and sandpaper. Clear a safe shooting zone and keep a first aid kit handy. Measure and mark your draw length and center grip carefully, then transfer those marks to the stave for accurate shaping and nock placement. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a great companion while you take breaks between carving and tillering. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Shape the bow with patience and constant checking for balance. Carve away small amounts from the limbs, working symmetrically to keep each side even. String the bow frequently and draw to mid-draw to observe tiller and trim until both limbs bend similarly. Smooth rough areas with sandpaper, then apply a protective finish to seal the wood. Proper tillering ensures accuracy and prevents limb failure during regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.